Green fibers for life. Weaving a sustainable future. In a world where sustainability and support for rural communities are more important than ever, an organization has come up with an innovative solution to address both challenges. Green Fibers for Life is an NGO committed to natural fiber production, benefiting both the agricultural and handicraft sectors in Central and South America. Its impact is measured not only in economic and social terms, but also in environmental terms, thanks to the promotion of agave cultivation, a plant with exceptional properties for the extraction of CO2 from the atmosphere and the production of biomass and fermented animal fodder. The origin of a transformative idea. Green Fibers for Life was born from the vision of a group of environmentalists and social economists who, concerned about environmental degradation and poverty in rural areas, decided to join forces to create an initiative that could address both issues simultaneously. Their approach focuses on the use of natural fibers, a sustainable alternative to the synthetic materials that dominate the textile and handicraft industry. Agave, a plant traditionally known for its use in the production of tequila and mezcal, was identified as the perfect raw material. This plant is not only hardy and easy to grow in adverse conditions, but also has the ability to absorb large amounts of CO2 from the atmosphere, contributing significantly to climate change mitigation. Impact on rural communities. One of the fundamental pillars of Green Fibers for Life is its commitment to low-income rural communities in Central and South America. These communities, often marginalized and with few economic opportunities, have found in this organization a source of hope and sustainable development. Support for the agricultural sector. Agave cultivation offers multiple benefits for local farmers. First, the plant is extremely hardy and can grow in poor soils and adverse weather conditions, which is ideal for many rural regions. In addition, agave has a relatively short growing cycle, allowing farmers to earn income more quickly and consistently. Green Fibers for Life provides farmers with high-quality seeds and training in sustainable cultivation techniques. It also offers them technical and financial support for the implementation of efficient irrigation systems and regenerative farming practices. This not only improves the productivity and quality of agave fibers, but also contributes to soil conservation and local biodiversity. Strengthening the handicrafts sector. Handicrafts are a deeply rooted tradition in many rural communities in Central and South America. However, competition with industrial products and lack of access to fair markets have made it difficult for local artisans to make a decent living from their work. Green Fibers for Life has partnered with artisan cooperatives and fair trade organizations to create a value chain that directly benefits the artisans. Agave fiber is transformed into a variety of artisanal products, from weaving and basketry to decorative and sustainable fashion products. These products are marketed both locally and internationally, generating fair and sustainable income for the artisans. In addition, the NGO organizes workshops and training programs in design, marketing, and business management, empowering artisans to improve the quality of their products and expand their markets. In this way, Green Fibers for Life not only preserves cultural traditions, but also boosts the economic and social development of rural communities. A commitment to the environment. The environmental impact of Green Fibers for Life is equally significant. The promotion of agave cultivation not only contributes to the reduction of CO2 in the atmosphere, but also encourages sustainable agricultural practices that protect the local ecosystem. Agave as a climate solution. Agave is a particularly efficient carbon sequestration plant. During its life cycle, it can absorb large amounts of CO2, storing it in its biomass and in the soil. This makes agave a powerful tool in the fight against climate change, helping to reduce the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. In addition, agave produces a significant amount of biomass, which can be used as a renewable energy source or as fermented animal fodder. This fodder is of high quality and can improve livestock feed, increasing livestock productivity and reducing dependence on imported and expensive feed. Regenerative agriculture and soil conservation. Green Fibers for Life promotes regenerative agriculture practices that not only improve agricultural productivity, but also restore soil health and biodiversity. These practices include the use of compost and biofertilizers, crop rotation, and the implementation of agroforestry systems that combine agave cultivation with other beneficial plants. Soil conservation is a priority for the NGO, as healthy soil is essential for the long-term sustainability of agriculture and the protection of natural resources. Through education and technical support, Green Fibers for Life is helping farmers adopt practices that prevent soil erosion, increase water retention, and improve natural soil fertility. A promising future. The impact of Green Fibers for Life is already being felt in many rural communities in Central and South America. Farmers and artisans have found a sustainable and dignified source of income, while the environment benefits from regenerative agricultural practices and carbon sequestration. Expansion and partnerships. The NGO's success has attracted the attention of other communities and organizations seeking to replicate its model. Several communities are already contacting Green Fibers for Life to promote agave planting and natural fiber extraction projects. The NGO is actively working to expand its reach and support more communities on their path to sustainability. In addition, Green Fibers for Life is establishing collaborations with academic institutions and research centers to explore new applications and technologies related to agave. These collaborations have the potential to open up new market opportunities and further improve the efficiency and sustainability of agave fiber production. The importance of global support. The success of Green Fibers for Life would not be possible without the support of global donors and partners who share its vision of a more sustainable and just future. The NGO invites individuals and organizations around the world to join its cause, whether through donations, volunteering, or strategic partnerships. Every contribution, no matter how small, helps drive positive and lasting change in rural communities and the environment. Together, we can weave a future where the sustainable production of natural fibers not only improves people's lives, but also protects our planet for future generations. Green Fibers for Life is an inspiring example of how one organization can address multiple challenges in an integrated and effective way. Through agave cultivation and the production of natural fibers, this NGO is creating economic opportunities for poor rural communities, preserving artisanal traditions and contributing significantly to climate change mitigation. The road to a sustainable future is long and challenging, but with initiatives like Green Fibers for Life, we are one step closer to achieving it. The combination of innovation, community engagement, and environmental responsibility is the key to building a world where we can all thrive in harmony with nature. We invite everyone to join this noble cause and be part of the change, because when we support organizations like Green Fibers for Life, we are investing in a better future for all of us, where sustainability and social justice go hand in hand, and where our actions today can make a meaningful difference for tomorrow.